This is a review of the INFILAND protective case cover that I would highly recommend. This case cover, it really is very durable. And what I want to start off by saying is that the quality is super amazing too. You can see that it's pretty much like a book, and your iPad is like when you open it up, I'll show you guys that in a minute. It opens and closes very easily. It's very super soft. And not just that, but if you want to protect your iPad as well too, you can see the material over here is really high quality, and it's you could say it's safe enough where if your iPad by any chance if it falls down, then it could protect your iPad from getting damaged. But other than that, you can see it also comes with the keyboard too. So what I love about this whole setup is that you can make your iPad pretty much like essentially the same like a laptop, so pretty much like a MacBook. And that's the cool thing about it that I'll show you guys in a minute. It comes with a USB port that it charges up your keyboard, that it's right over here that it comes with, so you could charge that whenever the battery gets drained or low. But otherwise, the battery life is pretty fantastic on this. I'm gonna open this up and show you guys the front side. So this is the front side, and the quality is really amazing. So when we open it up, you can see that that's the iPad itself, and the 9th generation iPad, and you open it up, it's very easy. And you can see that, I turn it on, and I'm going to go flip it over and show you guys on how it, pretty much it transforms into a laptop. So right from here, all you have to do, you can see this adhesive on the back that it is a magnet. So if you don't know, that underneath here is a magnet. So all you have to do is just lay this pretty much flat, and just like that, it attaches, and that's how it transforms into a laptop. So all I had to do is turn this on button right here, and it should turn on like that. And pretty much you go to general Bluetooth, and it should connect automatically like that. And right here you can see the keyboard also illuminates too. So if I close the lights for a second, you can see that it illuminates you by hitting this button right here, and turns on right there like that. And that's one of my most favorite features about it, is that it lights up very well when you're trying to type something in the dark. You can see what you're typing in. So if you're typing in the dark, you could literally see by hitting that button. And this is by far my most favorite iPad protective case, because not only it transforms into a laptop. This is something very useful to have if you're a professional college student or a professor, or you want something easy in your life. Then this is definitely one of my most favorite iPad covers you could get, because it transforms into a laptop. And like that, you see, I'm pretty much, if I hit the back button, it goes back to like that. You could use this to go click on all these apps that comes with: the camera settings, Safari, music, Messenger. It does everything that you could think of. I would highly recommend the INFILAND protective case if you are looking to changing your game-changing experience of using your iPad. Then this is by far one of my most favorite iPad covers that you could get, because of how it changed my experience of using my iPad. And I no longer have to use the iPad like how you use it like that. You can transform it into a laptop, and it becomes a laptop, and pretty much essentially like a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro. This thing does it all, and I would definitely recommend the INFILAND protective case.